Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Quicken Simplifi to Merrill Edge, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Quicken Simplifi to Merrill Edge, begin by opening your Quicken Simplifi application. Sign in with your existing Quicken Simplifi account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Accounts section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Account button. A search bar will appear, prompting you to enter the name of your financial institution. Type Merrill Edge into the search bar and hit Enter. From the search results, select Merrill Edge. You will be redirected to a login window. Enter your Merrill Edge username and password. Make sure to double-check that your credentials are entered correctly. After entering your information, click on the Login button. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your registered device. Follow the prompts to complete any additional security checks. Once logged in, you will be asked to select which accounts you want to link. Choose the accounts you wish to connect to Quicken Simplifi. After selecting your desired accounts, click on the Connect or Link button. Quicken Simplifi will begin syncing with your Merrill Edge accounts. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once the sync is finished, you will see your connected Merrill Edge accounts listed in Quicken Simplifi. Review the imported transactions to ensure everything is accurate. Now you can start managing your finances through Quicken Simplifi while staying updated on your Merrill Edge accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.